So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing very well. In today's video, we will try to understand the three candle strategy. And I have tried this myself, seeing how a reversal happens by looking at three candlesticks together and how we get to know whether the next candle there can be green or it can be red. So this must be sounding quite interesting. Like, how is that even possible? But I have tried this myself, after which I am sharing it here in the video. So first I will let this trade become profitable. Only then will I explain that concept. And let me tell you one thing. If you haven't joined our Telegram group yet, the link is in the description. Go from there and definitely join Telegram, in which you can get a lot of benefits. And if you have any doubt, you can clear your doubts there too on any topic. I mean, how to apply support resistance, or if you don't know how to use Fibonacci retracement, then you can ask all those things in the comment box as well, and also by messaging on Telegram. So, I'll tell you how we will decide by looking at three candles what the next candle can be. And its main topic will be that we will try to do reversal trading. In today's video, besides that, I will see how my accuracy is here and how to analyze by seeing those three consecutive candles of any one color in the live chart and how to use a technical analysis. So I'm going to do all those things in today's video. So guys, finally both of my trades have been profitable. So not again, I will now try to find a chart first. Like, I have always felt that finding a chart with good movement, meaning a good movement is one many people were asking, one which doesn't have too much fluctuation, isn't too sideways, has some things to apply support resistance from where the market has been bearish, from where it's been bullish, so that we can draw levels there. Such a chart is considered a good movement chart. So I'm trying by changing the chart here. So here three consecutive green candles are formed and a reversal happened on the fourth candle. So this is how this reversal concept works. Above also three red candles formed, a green candle formed on the fourth candle where a reversal happened. So I will try to find such candlesticks here. They should be of the same color and three in a row. So I will try to find that. If I find them, I will try to show you an example. So here I have placed a trade for downward. Why? Because where I have placed the trade, the upper wick of its previous candle is quite long, which is indicating that there is selling pressure here. The market movement can remain bearish. So here I will try to cover this with a horizontal line. First, I have set a support level below because the market will remain bearish until it reaches that support level. I will change its color and I have made it a bit thicker here. So I'll wait here for a while until this candle closes and until this trade of mine becomes profitable. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment box about which topic you have a doubt on. Or if there is any concept you want to understand, you can also comment in the comment box. So guys, finally this trade of mine has also been profitable here. Okay. So again, I will try to find three consecutive candlesticks of this type here. And I'll see how the concept works here and how much accuracy there is regarding this concept. So I don't want any sideways chart here. I need to look for a chart that has good movement. Otherwise, it has been quite accurate as I feel because I have applied it to charts before and tried it out. So I am changing the chart to GBP JPY. If I see candles like this, I will definitely. This is a very good support level. By placing a double level here, a very good trade can be made. Why? Because look, the horizontal line I've placed at the bottom has been consistently bullish from that level. So I've placed a $200 trade in the upward direction here because there is a very good support level below. And I have highlighted it with a bit of pink color because the market has repeatedly rejected this level and turned bullish. It has happened at least 4 times, so this is the fifth level, and it will try to turn bullish from here too. Now, I won't say a green candle will form immediately. Maybe this candle is turning red here, so my trade might end in a loss. But overall, the market movement from here will be bullish because there is a support level here. Okay. Still, I will have to wait a bit for this trade to become profitable because only after that can I determine if it was profitable or not. Actually, I feel like this trade is going into a loss. So I will place a double trade here. So there is a very good support level below, which is why I have placed a double trade for a green candle, meaning in the upward direction. And let me tell you one thing. Importantly, I am not a financial advisor. Before placing any trade, please do your own research. Because trading is very risky. You can make a profit, but you can also easily incur a loss. So place your trades very thoughtfully and carefully using technical analysis. And I would like to tell you one important thing, that don't try to place trades yourself based on someone else's strategy, because everyone's strategy works for them. It's not necessary that it will work for you too, because everyone's mindset is completely different, because everyone thinks in a different way. So here, first you understand the technicals well and learn it. And the most important thing is money management and investment, because we are not able to manage money. That's why we incur losses. Why do losses happen? Because we do over trading. If you keep your proper mindset beforehand that I have to place 3 to 4 trades in a day, now maybe in the beginning only one or two of your trades remain profitable, and there can be a loss in it too. And it's possible that 50 to 60% is your loss in the beginning. So don't do that, because learning is important. If you learn first, then you can do very well. So from my personal experience, I would like to say this only, that first you learn very well. Only after that try applying it, and only after that try it out. Okay? So in a very good way, from here the market movement is staying bullish because there is a very good support level below. So the market will go at least up to the resistance level one has set above. Only after that can there be a reversal here. So guys, finally both of these trades of mine have been profitable here, okay? So I will try to find a chart here again. Otherwise, this much is fine for today's video. The concept must be clear to you because my number of trades remains this much only for a day. So guys, the market is moving in a very good way in this. See you in the next video. Until then, thank you.